Alright guys, this is for anybody that may have been struggling with the same issue as me. So I got my gun here with my quick connect. But the quick connect came with this red piece on it, which I had never seen before. And you know, in all the videos I've seen about using JRods, which I'm about to, maybe I'll grab one and show you in a minute. The JRod's just, you pull this back and you slide the JRod in there and then you release, make sure it's a good tight fit and everything's fine. But because this red piece is on here, it's adding a little bit extra red layer there, and it's too thick to slide between each JRod receiver, or not necessarily receiver, but whatever, nipple, right? So it won't go in there. So let me grab the JRod really quick. I'll be right back. All right, just a quick illustration to show you what I'm talking about. So here is my quick connect. All right, here's my JRod with all the pieces on it. And then when I try to go in here, I pull this number back and it is getting blocked. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to see if I can turn this. I'm kind of limited on space here. Move the crock pot. All right, let me pick up the camera here. So basically what happens is, I don't know if you can see that, but basically it hits right there so that it won't go down on the JRod. So basically what I have to do is took my little heat gun right here, okay, and actually with the last one I used the my grinder to slice into make a pre-slice into it and not cut the metal of my quick connect. And then gotta have some safety first, some thermal mitts. And then I heated it up and removed it. So hopefully this works just as smoothly. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this on here. Highest level should warm up pretty quickly. Let's give it a second. Working. This is the Wagner. I thought it was DeWalt because of the colors, but it's actually Wagner brand. And it's getting really melty light. And once you get this thing off, your JRod just goes right in there. I thought something was wrong. I was about to go to Lowe's and buy a whole quick connect, but I couldn't get the first one off. I think they just secured it really tight. Couldn't get it off. That should be enough. Let's see here. What happened to my pliers? Ooh. This time it's not as apparent because it is really melted. This is gonna be interesting. actually probably need to let it cool and get a little more solid here. Almost. Yep. Okay, let me just add a little bit more heat. So it's almost coming off, guys, here on the back end. Let me just add a little more heat here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that there, but this back end right here is like starting to peel up. So let me work on the outside, work it from the inside, knock it down. Oh, now it's just like putty. And now my tools are all sticky. I don't know why they made this thing so difficult. Here we go. There we go. Finally got the whole thing off. And now you still have your quick connect there, smoking. And you got a little bit of sticky tools, but we have that done. And now we can slide our JRod right in there. Get in there. There you go. And now it works. So I hope this video helps somebody. It may be a roundabout way of doing it. If somebody knows a faster way, please share. But again, like something this simple like stumped me. Like every video I've seen using a JRod, I'm like, I want to use the JRod. It's quick, it's easy. So I ordered a few, but my wands had come with my machine, and the wands that came with that machine already had these plastic protectors or whatever around. I don't know what the deal was with those, if that's standard. But the other tip wand that I ordered separate from the machine did not come with this on the end. You actually had to add your own quick connect. So yeah, that was my thing for today. Hope this helps somebody. I'll catch you guys in the next one.